Welcome to All Ears, your favorite all things Disney trips channel. I'm your host, Margeaux Jordan, and today I'll be breaking down the Disney dining plan. Are you ready to digest all the deets? I know my tummy is super rumbly just thinking about all of Disney's delicatessens. So, let's get into it. The Disney dining plan is a way of prepaying for your meals that's able to be booked as part of a package for guests staying at Walt Disney World resorts. This package must include a stay at a Disney-owned and operated property and park tickets. Everyone staying in the same room must be part of the same dining plan. But if you're staying off-site, you are not eligible to get a Disney dining plan. Purchasing a Disney dining plan has 3 rules. You must book it as part of your vacation package, book it ahead of your arrival, and rule number 3, you must book it online or by calling 407-WDW-MAGIC. How does it work, you ask? Simple. First, you are issued dining credits according to the level of plan purchased. Credits are linked directly to your Disney account and your Magic Band. Redeem your credits for meals and snacks, and be sure to let your server know and pay with your Magic Band. You can keep an eye on your tab by checking the My Disney Experience app or by looking at your receipts.
Oh, this is just ridiculous. Which one is it?
The Disney dining plan offers levels to fit any of your dining needs. Number 1, in the quick service dining plan, you'll receive 2 quick service meal credits and 2 snack credits per person per night of your package. Number 2, in the standard dining plan, you'll get 1 quick service meal credit, 1 table service meal credit, and 2 snack credits per person per night of your package. And number 3, with the deluxe dining plan, you'll receive 3 meal credits and 2 snack credits per person per night of your package. The meal credits may be used on table service or quick service meals and are interchangeable. As for the under 3s, they eat for free. Or off your plate, that is.
Oh, you're so cute, you little 3-year-old. Here's a potato.
Who doesn't love a refillable mug? All Disney dining planners get a refillable mug with an RFID code, so you can refill at all the resorts. But you can't use it on site after your trip is over. Nice try. For my 21 and over friends watching, Disney now lets you choose either 1 non-alcoholic beverage or 1 single-serving mixed cocktail, beer, or wine within your meal entitlement. Why not treat yourself, right? Oh, and those under 21 can choose 1 non-alcoholic bev, including artisan milkshakes and specialty drinks. Dining entitlements are per night, so if you have a 5-night, 6-day stay and a quick service plan, you'll have 10 quick service meals per person and 10 snacks per person. Let's talk about the types of meals, shall we? A quick service meal includes walk-up and order windows, food courts, and things of that nature. You can grab a quick service meal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but breakfast will serve you the least value for your credit most of the time. The table service meal. Enjoy a sit-down setting with lots of variety. Order a la carte, prix-fixe, buffet style, or even enjoy fine dining for double the credits, that is.
Double credits? What?
That's right, you heard me. Some restaurants at Walt Disney World will cost you 2 table service credits. Those will be things like, say, Cinderella's Royal Table, the dinner shows like Hoop-de-Doo Review and Spirit of Aloha, dinner at Be Our Guest, as well as those signature restaurants like California Grill and Citrico's. You'll get an entree, dessert, and beverage, or 1 full buffet. The Deluxe Disney Dining Plan. This one includes 3 meal credits per day, and these can be either table service or counter service. Plus, you'll also get an appetizer with your lunch or dinner at a table service restaurant. Snacks are any single-serve item with a purple and white checkerboard symbol next to the menu item. Usually, these are around $4 to $6. If you want more to eat or drink, you have to shell out more money. You can eat practically anywhere on property and order almost everything you want, including the pricey steak and lobster dishes. Don't want dessert? You can oftentimes swap it out for soup or salad, but your mileage may vary depending on your server. Have dietary restrictions? Disney is on the ball when it comes to substitutions and accommodations. Want to know something pretty sweet? You can divide 1 adult quick service credit into 3 snack credits, but You can't combine quick service credits to equal a table service credit. Nice try. Before we wrap this up, here's some important things you need to know. Tipping is not included in your cost, so you'll have to pull out your wallet or magic band to pay tip. And an automatic 18% gratuity will be added to groups of 6 or more. You can also use your dining credits for other guests that are not on the Disney dining plan. If you're dining with others that are not on the plan, your server will divide up the bill for you. You can use your dining credits for in-room pizza delivery and in-room dining. Can somebody say room service?
Room service.
These each take 2 table service credits per delivery or meal. FYI, the pizza delivery isn't worth the 2 credits. Save those credits for lobster at Narcoossee's. If you want a spot at a table service restaurant, we highly recommend making reservations. Otherwise, it may be a long wait.
There's the time to eat yet!
Reservations can be made up to 180 days out from your reservation date, either through the Walt Disney World website, My Disney Experience app, or by calling. Well, that about sums it up. Would you do a Disney dining plan during your stay? Tell us in the comments below. Oh, and do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks, guys. I'm Margeaux Jordan with All Ears, and we'll catch you next time.